piny Kenya William Ruto donje telo. Karua koni nyaka ne kweth rawere Kenya nyato jomatindo. Laka jatend piny to ok
these kidnappings, disappearances, extrajudicial killings targeted on our youth mainly is now a signature modus operandi of the regime. These abductions and killings is now a worrying trend, and we demand that it stops for the become a signature modus operandi since the Gen Z protests. It has resulted in lengthy illegal detentions like of Bob Jage, as Jamil Langton, and in some cases it does not end up with long detention. It ends extrajudicial killing. This targeting of activists, journalists, and youth is a direct assault on institutions, on the right to life, principles of equality, justice, and freedom.